Hi guys, today we are doing a quick unboxing of the official PixelSnap case for the new Pixel 10 Pro. This model is currently on sale in the store on Amazon at a 50% off discount. So here in Italy, I paid only about €30 for it. It comes in the usual packaging made of recycled paper. Let's remember Google's green choices in recent years, and as usual, it's easy to open. Here is the case. I chose the cedar green color. It's really an exceptionally beautiful green, just slightly on the acidic side. I don't remember what it's called in English. As usual, the buttons are glossy, the G is prominently displayed, the G from the Google logo, and the usual Google quality. Of course, as you can clearly see, there is a specific cutout designed to avoid the Pixel 10 Pro's magnet from losing any of its effectiveness, which, I should remind you, remains compatible with all MagSafe accessories when using these official cases. With this precise cutout, the magnet's effectiveness isn't reduced at all, so if you truly need to protect your new Pixel, there is really nothing better than an official case. Greetings from Antonio Camerino. As always, I remind you that if you find my videos helpful, you can subscribe to the channel and leave me a like. Bye guys.